With 1mm cord, take 70 centimeters, have it folded in half evenly with a lobster keychain. Put the D-ring over top of your cord. Now you want to take those two ends through, and now take those ends through that loop from front to back. And now you've attached your cord with the lark's head knot. And now do that until you have 4 cords on the D-ring. I like to pin my piece down, and I do this using a macrame board and some little pins. With the left 4 cords, do a square knot. Take the left cord over the 2 middle cords. Take the right cord over the cord you just brought over, around the back of the 2 middle cords, and up through the loop. And pull those to the top. Now take the right cord over the 2 middle cords, take the left cord over that cord, around the back and up through the loop, and pull that snug to the top. And now do the same thing with the other 4 cords. And now with the 4 middle cords, do a square knot. Now we'll just keep alternating 2 square knots, 1 square knot, 2 square knots, 1 square knot. I continued until I had 6 loops down the side. I used a needle and thread in matching color to secure the last 2 square knots so they don't unravel. And then cut the ends to the length you like.